Yeah. Eli's here. We're going fishing tomorrow. We finally got the boat done and got everything tied up and got everything ready to go to beautiful Lake Camanche to catch some toads tomorrow, hopefully, so I can get it on camera. I actually haven't got a bass catch on the new boat on camera yet, so kind of sucks, but I feel like Eli is going to be my good luck charm when we go out there tomorrow, and he's going to bring in a big one. Either me or him.
I mean, I caught one the other day.
You caught 14 or 15 the other day.
In one spot.
Yeah, in one spot. We're going to that spot tomorrow. I mean, who wouldn't? It'd be kind of stupid if we didn't, but yeah, so super excited. We went to Bass Pro later today, and we also went to Fisherman's Warehouse, and we picked up some drop shot tackle. We also, I picked up this rat. It was on sale, half off for $15. It was originally $30. I got 2 swim baits. I got a bunch of stuff at Bass Pro. I also got this new rod. It's a really nice Okuma swim bait rod. I was needing a swim bait rod. I was using my frogging rod because it's not really time to frog fish, and Camanche isn't the best frog fishing lake, especially not right now. So yeah, also at Fisherman's Warehouse they had a screaming deal on this Daiwa reel. I forget what model it is, but it casts really nicely. They even with the deal they put line on it for you, which I thought was awesome. So I got some 12-pound P line on there. I forget what color. It's like the it's like the bronzest goldish color. But yeah, I really like that color line. I have a little, I have the 20-pound test, but I have barely enough. I don't even have enough to put on a reel. But yeah, so we got everything ready, got everything tied up, and I guess we'll see you guys in the morning. Breakfast. We're eating breakfast, and then we're gonna go out to Camanche. We're at the lake. We made it. We made it, Eli. So yeah, we're at the lake. Just thought it'd be a good time to check in. We're gonna get everything ready. We're gonna get down in the water, and we're gonna get to our spot. And we're gonna start fishing, and we're gonna slay him today. It's been long awaited, but we're going to tear him up again today.
Going. Yes.
Got him?
Yes.
Nice, Eli.
All right, Eli. That's my boy.
Caught my shoe.
He's little. You don't need a net. That's all right. That's all right. That's all right.
I'll net him anyways.
You just want to do that for fun, didn't you?
Yeah. Dude, nice job, Eli.
Nice one, Eli.
Fish. It doesn't matter.
How do I open it?
Oh. Oh.
Reel it.
Don't put
No,
the
no.
net down until you get him close.
There we go.
I know.
Yes,
I know
Mom.
how to
Nice
net.
job.
Woo!
Fatty.
Slow down just a little. Eli's got another one.
You got this. Look at him.
Good
Go on
job,
this side.
Eli.
Go on this side. Ready? Put it right here.
Wait, don't let him get in the motor.
Do you leave your bail up and
Yep, he's good, he's good. Bring him up, bring him up. Yeah, that's a nice one.
Put that
Heck
one
yeah.
in live well, and we'll take pictures of him.
Yeah, and he's hooked
Oh, look
good.
for it. Yeah.
Right in the top of the mouth.
Got it?
Yeah.
Right now.
got a fish?
Yeah.
Nice. Eli.
The drag's a little loose on that.
Nice.
Yeah.
You might have a nice one.
That's little.
You sure?
Yeah. It's not kicking or fighting really good.
You got a fish or a stick?
Fish, I think. Fish.
You got a nice fish. That is not a little fish, if that's a fish.
Yeah, it's a fish.
Yeah, it's a fish.
Where is it? Oh,
Yeah, it's taking line out. I don't know how loose
Come on,
is it.
Eli.
Alright.
God dang it.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Looks like might be a freaking stud right here, guys.
Oh. Oh my god, Eli.
giant.
It's a nice freaking fish.
Oh, hell yeah.
Eli!
I think I got one. You think? Shit.
Dude! Oh my god!
Right on, brother.
Damn.
Oh my god, Eli!
Damn.
You are a keeper.
Hey, I was talking about slaying toads last night. Look at what Eli just caught. Oh my god.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh yeah.
Got one? Yeah.
You got it?
Where'd you catch him on, babe?
The drop shot.
It's a nice one too.
Good?
Okay.
Don't force him.
Damn, way out there in the middle, too.
Right out in the middle.
Yeah. Nice, honey.
That was nice.
Oh yeah.
You
I got it, I got it.
Nice spot.
Killing.
Woohoo! This is a good one. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on.
Better play it a little bit. Man.
There we go.
There you go.
Those are spots.
Are
Yeah.
Yes.
Get that.
I got it, I got it.
they? Here, I got it. I told you right then. I'm coming.
Mommy's got one. Got it good. Got it good. Got one all day yet.
Right.
Come on, baby.
You got one, babe?
I got it.
No, he doesn't even need it.
I don't know.
You sure?
I love the kind of weather. Wow. I'll tell you one thing about these little.
They're fighters.
Today is April 16th. I filmed all the footage you guys just watched during the end of March. So this is taking me about 3 or 4 weeks to get around to edit, but that's probably because we painted the whole front of the house. That's why there's blue masking tape on the garage. And thank God I don't live in a very large house or a 2-story house, because I'm telling you, painting the house is not the most fun thing when it's about 75 degrees out and you want to go fishing. It's definitely not something you want to do. But yeah, I finally got around to edit this. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it, filming it, catching fish with Eli. It was super fun. You'll definitely see a ton more of Eli on the videos. But yeah, it was a blast. We caught about 14 fish altogether, and yeah, we got on a pretty. The whole day was slow. That one spot that we went to in the first part, which was the rock slope, like dam thing, that we only caught, I think, 3 or 4 fish, but I caught one there. That's where I caught my first fish. But other than that, we went to a couple other spots, and man, it was freaking slow until we got into the perfect little cove, which had a creek bed. And oh my gosh, we just started slaying them from there. That's my psycho dog barking, but there she goes again. Great way to ruin a outro, especially when you film this a lot, but I'm just gonna go with it. Hope you guys liked the video. Like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.